We were approached in 2015 by outside counsel for SAFCA. SAFCA is the Sacramento Area Flood Control Agency, about help they needed on a large flood control project that's just west of downtown Sacramento, in fact just outside the city of West Sacramento. And that project's known as the Lower Elkhorn Basin Levee Setback project, the flood control project that they needed help on. And the issue was that there was a landfill in the area of expanded flood control that needed to be removed in order for that project to go forward. That landfill was known as the Bright landfill, and that landfill operated for some 50 years informally without a lot of control, so nobody really knew what went into that landfill. And it also included this Levels project, 7-mile expansion of the YOLO bypass, which is also a flood control feature where the water from the Sacramento Weir goes once it's taken off the river. But in order to implement that project, the landfill either needed to be removed or somehow remediated. And we were approached in 2015. They had cost estimates to do that in excess of $40 million. There's multiple larger agencies involved in this type of a project: the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Department of Water Resources, Central Valley Flood Protection Board, just to name a few, that make implementation of this type of project very complicated. There's a lot of input to the design, a lot of input to the remedy, as well as we were looking for ways to make this corrective action management unit, once it was constructed, more useful to other parties who might be involved in future flood control endeavors. Ultimately, the remedy we were able to implement cost about $13 million compared to the original cost, which was estimated at over $40 million.